Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to use similar triangles to determine the side lengths. In my previous video I have explained the definition of the similar triangles and the concurrent triangles in detail. The link is in the description below. So let's begin with our discussion today. So show that the two triangles in this diagram are similar and then determine the values of x and y. So in this diagram we have given the two triangles, the triangle A, B, D. The first triangle is A, B, D, and the second triangle is C, D, and E. Right? Now we have to show that these two triangles are similar. So how can we show that the triangles are similar? So we have three postulates for the similar triangles. The first one is angle. Angle means when two angles of one triangle is exactly the same as two angles of the other triangle. So I would follow the first postulate, that is angle. Okay, so if we can see the triangle A, B, and D. So the angle, so we have an angle DAB. DAB is same as an angle DEC. Right? The angle DAB is similar to the angle DE and C, and the other angle, the angle ABD, is same as an angle ECD. Right? So the angle ABD and the angle ECD is similar. So when the two angles of one triangle is exactly the same as the two angles of the other triangle, then we can say that the triangles are similar. So we have done with proving that the two triangles are similar. Now we need to determine the values of x and y. So how do we determine the values of x and y? We know that the triangles are similar. So let's find out the values of x and y. So when the triangles are similar, their corresponding side length ratios are proportional. So if I can take the side length B and D. So what is the side length B to D? That is 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. So 8 plus so 6 plus 8, and the other triangle corresponding side length is C to D, that is equals to 6. So divide by 6. That must be equals to AB. So the AB, that is equals to x over the E and the CE, that is equals to 6. Right? So it would be equals to 14 over 6 equals to x divided 6. So we can cancel the 6 and we have got the x value, that is equals to 14. Right? Now let's determine the y value as well. Right? So let's do the y value. So to get the y value, we have to look at the triangle, the side length A to D. So A to D, the side length is y plus 3.6 centimeter, and the corresponding side length of the other triangle is E to D, that is 3.6. So divide it with 3.6 and that must be equals to BD, that is 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, and divides CD, that is equals to 6 centimeter. Right? So we have y plus 3.6 over 3.6, and that is equals to 14 divide 6. Okay, to solve for y, first what we have to do, we have to multiply both sides by 3.6 to get rid of the denominator. So we have to multiply by 3.6 and multiply by 3.6, right? So we have the 3.6 and 3.6 would be cancelled out, and we are left with y plus 3.6. And over here we have 14 times 3.6, and it is going to divide with 6. That would be equals to 8.4. Right? And to solve for y, again we have to take the opposite of the term, that is equals to 3.6 on the other side, and that would be equals to y equals to 8.4 and subtract 3.6. So 8.4 minus 3.6, that would be equals to 4.8. So the y value is 4.8 centimeter and the x value is 14 centimeter. I hope you understand how to use a similar triangle to find out the lengths of the missing sides. If you want to watch more and get updated, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.